speak.
Mr. Chairman, good afternoon. My name is Bradley Arthur from 431 Tonawanda Street in Buffalo, your beloved Black Rock section. I am a community pharmacist and own a retail neighborhood drugstore in the Black Rock section. Upon returning home from college in 1987, I joined the family business. At that time, we had 8 independent drugstores, and one of my primary responsibilities, believe it or not, was to manage our tobacco business. At that time, it was about $250,000 a year business, and it was my job to ensure that we were maximizing promotional opportunities from the various tobacco manufacturers. I could tell you it was a very ambitious effort. The dollars that were available to us were substantial, and although over time that has become less the case, I can still tell you that the pressure to promote products within our business was tremendous. In December of last year, 12/31/2009, our New Year's resolution was to stop the sale of tobacco. This, I have to tell you, this decision I didn't come to easily. I was of the mindset that I need to compete. It's a very, very difficult set of economic circumstances right now, and I need to do whatever I can to compete in our marketplace, and I view this as being a way to do that. So with Tony's urging and others, and finally coming to the realization that it was truly the right thing to do, we stopped the sale of all tobacco-related products, and I sat back in the first week of January expecting to be hammered by my customers, and was actually quite surprised when the opposite was true. The community was waiting for me to come to my senses and make this decision. As one of the foundations of healthcare delivery in Northwest Buffalo, people expected more of me. Now we've embraced this greater responsibility, and I encourage my chain competitors and others to consider these circumstances as well, and consider getting rid of tobacco altogether, if not being more responsible in the way it's advertised. Mr. Chairman, thank you.